In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot on Windows 11. This feature is an incredible tool built right into your operating system, and it can make your daily tasks a whole lot easier and more efficient. Let's dive right in and explore how to get started with Copilot and take full advantage of its capabilities. To begin, there are a few different ways you can launch Copilot on your device. The easiest way is to simply click on the Copilot icon that you'll find adorning your taskbar. If you're more prone to using the Start menu, you'll find it listed there as well. Prefer using keyboard shortcuts? Not a problem. Just press Windows key plus C, and Copilot will launch right away. For those with modern keyboards, you might even find a dedicated Copilot key that makes accessing this feature even more seamless. Once Copilot is open, the next step is to sign in. You'll need to use your Microsoft account for this. Signing in is crucial because it allows you to save your chat history, engage in voice conversations, create images, and access a host of other advanced features that Copilot has to offer. Now that you're signed in, you can start interacting with Copilot. All you need to do is type in your request or question in natural language. For example, you might ask Copilot to explain Windows 11 virtual desktops or write a professional email. Perhaps you want to summarize this article you're reading or translate this text into Hindi. Copilot can even create a study plan for exams. The beauty of Copilot is its ability to respond conversationally, providing assistance across a vast range of tasks designed to boost your productivity and enhance your everyday computing experience. If you prefer speaking rather than typing, Copilot has you covered. You can click the microphone icon within the Copilot window and speak your question or request. Copilot will then respond using both voice and text, making it even more interactive and user-friendly. Additionally, on supported systems, you can enable features like Press to Talk or Hey Copilot in the settings, allowing for more convenient voice command capabilities. And let's not forget about using Copilot to search through your files. This means if you're looking for a document, a specific image, or any file stored within your system, Copilot can quickly locate it for you. This feature is especially helpful when you're in a rush or unsure of where you've saved something on your computer. With this guide, you'll be able to harness the full power of Copilot on Windows 11, making it an invaluable tool in your daily routine. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore all the features Copilot has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!